Tired of swollen legs that slow you down? Do your joints feel stiff or inflamed even without much activity? What if the answer isn't expensive medication or endless therapy, but hidden right in your kitchen? Today, you'll discover 8 collagen-rich foods that naturally reduce swelling and help restore joint health. These foods work with your body, not against it. If you want to move freely, ease the pressure in your knees, and feel lighter in your legs, keep watching. The first food you need is bone broth. This old-fashioned remedy is making a strong comeback for good reason. Bone broth is made by slowly simmering animal bones and connective tissues, releasing a rich supply of collagen, gelatin, amino acids, and minerals into the liquid. It's like giving your joints a direct injection of healing nutrients. The gelatin in bone broth cushions joints and helps repair damaged cartilage. Drinking 1 warm cup a day can reduce inflammation, ease joint stiffness, and help your legs feel stronger. It's also soothing to the gut and helps with better nutrient absorption. Bone broth can be homemade or bought at most grocery stores, but make sure it's from grass-fed or organic sources for maximum benefits. Next, let's talk about salmon. This fatty fish is not only high in protein, but also loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and nutrients like zinc and vitamin D, all of which support collagen production. Omega-3s reduce inflammation in the body, which means less swelling in your legs and more comfort in your joints. Salmon also helps support skin elasticity and bone strength. Eating 2 or 3 servings a week can make a big difference in how your knees and ankles feel. Wild-caught salmon is best, but even canned salmon can still offer solid benefits. Don't underestimate the power of eggs. Eggs are packed with amino acids like proline and lysine, which your body uses to build collagen. The yolk contains healthy fats and vitamins that aid in tissue repair and bone health. Eating eggs regularly can help support your joints, rebuild cartilage, and reduce leg fatigue. Whether boiled, scrambled, or in an omelet, eggs are one of the easiest collagen boosters to add to your diet. Just don't skip the yolk, that's where much of the goodness is hiding. Berries might be small, but their impact on your joints is huge. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are loaded with antioxidants and vitamin C, both of which are essential for collagen formation. Vitamin C plays a key role in protecting your joints from free radical damage and in building strong connective tissue. The anti-inflammatory properties of berries help reduce swelling in the legs and ease pain around the knees. Add a handful to your breakfast, smoothies, or eat them as a snack. Their sweet taste is just a bonus. Believe it or not, chicken skin is another excellent source of collagen. Most people throw it away because of fat concerns, but if prepared right, baked, or grilled, it can be a real healing food. Chicken skin is high in type 1 and type 3 collagen, which are crucial for healthy joints, ligaments, and skin. Eating chicken with the skin on occasionally can help support your body's natural collagen structure. Of course, moderation is key, but don't be so quick to peel it off your next meal. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are rich in vitamin C, which is critical for collagen synthesis. Your body can't produce collagen effectively without enough vitamin C. These fruits also help reduce leg swelling by improving blood flow and lowering inflammation. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water or add orange slices to your salad. A simple habit like eating a citrus fruit daily can have long-term benefits for joint flexibility and overall circulation. Leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are collagen-activating powerhouses. They're full of vitamins A and C, plus chlorophyll, which supports collagen production and detoxification. These greens reduce inflammation, fight oxidative stress, and improve flexibility in the joints. If your legs often feel heavy or swollen, adding a cup of greens to your lunch or dinner can help your body flush out toxins and build back stronger tissues. A green smoothie or sautéed side dish is an easy way to start. Avocados are another must-have for anyone struggling with swelling and joint pain. They're rich in healthy fats, especially omega-9, and contain vitamin E, which protects collagen from breaking down. Avocados help reduce inflammation and provide moisture to joint tissues. This leads to better movement and less stiffness. You can mash avocado on toast, blend it into smoothies, or just eat it with a spoon. Its creamy texture isn't just delicious, it's therapeutic. Collagen doesn't work alone. Your body needs the right environment to absorb and use it properly. First, stay hydrated. Collagen relies on water to stay elastic and functional. Without enough hydration, even the best foods won't work well. Second, cut back on sugar and processed foods. These can break down collagen and increase inflammation, making swelling worse. Third, keep your body moving. Light activity like walking or gentle stretching increases circulation and helps nutrients reach your joints faster. Let's talk about how fast these foods can help. For most people, results begin showing in 2 to 4 weeks if eaten consistently. That means better joint comfort, reduced swelling in the legs, and more energy to stay active. Of course, everyone's body is different. Some may feel relief sooner, especially if their current diet is low in collagen-supporting nutrients. Staying consistent is key. Here's an example. A woman in her 50s who stood long hours daily started drinking bone broth every morning and added berries, leafy greens, and salmon to her weekly meals. Within a month, her knee pain decreased and she no longer had to elevate her legs each night to reduce swelling. She didn't change her lifestyle drastically, she just changed her plate. Healing your legs and joints doesn't have to be complicated. These 8 foods are simple, affordable, and easy to prepare. You don't need to buy expensive powders or supplements if you're eating nutrient-rich foods that naturally provide what your body needs. Focus on balance, hydration, and avoiding the foods that destroy collagen like sugar, trans fats, and alcohol. Aging doesn't mean giving up movement or accepting constant joint pain. The foods you eat daily can either rebuild your body or slowly wear it down. By focusing on collagen-rich and collagen-supporting foods, you're taking control of your health. You're giving your joints the tools to repair themselves and your legs the strength to carry you comfortably. Let's quickly recap the 8 foods: bone broth, salmon, eggs, berries, chicken skin, citrus fruits, leafy greens, and avocados. Try to incorporate at least 3 or 4 of them into your routine this week. Build habits slowly and stay consistent. Your body will respond, and you'll start to notice less swelling, smoother movement, and more energy. Whether you're dealing with chronic leg swelling or just want to future-proof your joints, collagen is your secret weapon. You have the knowledge now, it's up to you to apply it. Don't wait for the pain to get worse. Start healing from the inside out. Feeling better doesn't have to take years. Sometimes it starts with one simple food on your plate. Eat smart, move gently, and let your body recover the natural way. Your joints are waiting for that support. Let us know in the comments, have you tried any of these foods before? Share your journey and help others find relief too. And if you found this helpful, consider subscribing to stay updated with more health tips that actually work. Until next time, take care of your legs, fuel your joints, and keep walking forward one healing bite at a time.